kicking off the sand, salt still drying on our hands. Little path bending through the green, hear the water long before it's seen. You turn around, hair catching light, laughing like you got all night. It's just a little more you say, and pull me deeper in the shade. Jungle walk from the shoreline, follow you through the vines, through the sunshine. Hey! Hidden waterfall calling our names, let the cool run over our days. We dive in, watch the world off, you and me in the rush, in the soft drop. Jungle walk, then we're weightless and free. Every step brings you closer to me. You climb rocks, I hold your waist, cold clear spray on your face. You fall back, both of us scream, then we surface slow in a silver dream. You float close, lips taste like sea, say this is how it's meant to be. And in that echo, wild and wide, I feel the quiet in my mind. Jungle walk from the shoreline, follow you through the vines, through the sunshine. Hey! Hidden waterfall calling our names, let the cool run over our days. We dive in, watch the world off, you and me in the rush, in the soft drop. Jungle walk, then we're weightless and free. Every step brings you closer to me. Mango juice running down your arm, you feed me pieces from your palm. Sticky fingers, easy smile, sitting on the rocks for a while. Then we're rolling down the coastal road, windows low, all the colors glow. Sky on fire, but the breeze is kind. Your hand in mine, we leave the day behind. Jungle walk from the shoreline, follow you through the vines, through the sunshine. Hey! Hidden waterfall calling our names, let the cool run over our days. We dive in, watch the world off, you and me in the rush, in the soft drop. Jungle walk, then we're